Hey you guys, it's naturally Lindsay, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to be sharing my first impressions on the Curls Blueberry Bliss collection. And listen, I know I'm like way behind, but better late than never. I've been wanting to try this line for forever. Yesterday I went to Target. And I decided to go ahead and get it. Well, I'll just show you guys the product as I go through how I felt about it. And keep in mind that this is just first impressions, so I don't want you guys to think that this is my final opinion, because I haven't, we ain't been through nothing, we ain't been through no trials and tribulations, me and this product. Okay, so starting off with their Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. This stuff smells so good. Oh my gosh. Like, it smells so good. It smells like blueberry candy. And I didn't pre-poo my hair. I just got in the shower with some cool water and I basically put this on my scalp. Now I will say I felt like I did have to use a lot of product for one wash. The shampoo is blue, so you can't really see how much I've used, but I'll just point it out. Like, I've only used this one time and it's already right here. So I do feel like you have to use a lot of their shampoo to get a sud, but I mean, I understand because it is sulfate free. No sulfates, no silicones, parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances. Now I will say my hair did not feel dry after this shampoo, but I don't know. Now their deep conditioner had my hair feeling so soft and it was so bouncy. I'm gonna insert some clips of my hair with the conditioner in it and after I rinsed the conditioner out. This made my hair so bouncy, like it was just beautiful. It was beautiful. It smells good, like the whole line smells good, but the deep conditioner smells really good. It's thick, and unlike the shampoo, I don't really feel like I had to use like a crazy, you guys can't really see that, I don't feel like I had to use a crazy amount of conditioner. I do wish that they had like a regular conditioner, because I don't feel like this rich conditioner is necessary for every wash day. So curls is probably something I would use like once a month, because it's too expensive to use every week. It's just too expensive. Like, it doesn't make any sense. After I left the deep conditioner in my hair for like 30 minutes, I did not want to wash this out. I did not want to wash this deep conditioner out. It felt so amazing, but I finally rinsed it out, and then I went in with their Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. This was probably the cheapest thing I got out of like actual like styling products. This was only $11.99, and again, smells amazing. The consistency is on point. I did not have to use a lot. As you can see, like the conditioner is still right here, and I don't really have that much hair, but I don't feel like I had to use a lot for the amount of hair that I do have. My hair felt very moisturized with this in it, and I'm very impressed. Like, this is good. This is good stuff. So I went in with the the leave-in conditioner, and then of course if I would have purchased their gel, I would have put their gel in for a hold, because I like a hold. I don't like my hair to feel crunchy, but I like a hold. So I really wish I could have reviewed their gel, but I just was not ready to spend $18 on a bottle of gel, and their gel bottle looks like this. Nah fam. So for my fourth item, I ended up getting their Blueberry Bliss curl control paste, and I kind of wish that I would have skipped out on this and just got the gel instead, because this was $9 and the gel was $18. This smell, the consistency is really smooth, but it does not work on wet hair. I tried to do my edges. I'll show you guys a clip of me failing to do my edges with that. I tried to do my edges and it was not working. Now, I did put it on later on yesterday when my hair had dried a little bit more, and it was a decent product. I would say probably like a 3 out of 5, but it was not worth $9. I don't know if maybe I'm just not the queen of edges at this point in my life, but I wasn't feeling it. I was not feeling it. So I ended up doing my edges with some Eco Styler, and I didn't redo them today, but I did my edges with Eco Styler on my hair, and I will say that my hair does feel moisturized compared to how it normally feels, but my hair typically feels a little dry, and it still feels a little dry, and I don't know if that's the Eco Styler or if it's just this product wasn't enough moisture for me. Like maybe I should have did a leave-in conditioner and a curl custard, or you know, their hair melt instantly after putting this product through my hair using the raking method. I noticed instant shrinkage like no other. Like my hair was like and I feel like with the leave-in conditioner, my hair should not have shrunk so much, but I am happy with the results. I don't feel like this would last me a whole 7 days unless I was like very careful as far as wrapping my hair goes, but I like it. I like the product. I like the smell. For the smell, I would give it a 5 out of 5, period, hands down. The edge control has a nice texture. It feels good. It does not clump up, and you can still like manipulate your edges when you put it on, but it does not have a good hold. As far as hold goes, so far my curls look good, so I would give it like a I would give it like a 4 out of 5 as far as hold goes for today, for first impressions. And just keep in mind that I used Eco Styler gel, and I did not use their gel. My friend came over to get her hair done today, and I'm like, girl, I gotta use my Miel on you because this curls cost too much. And I thought Miel was expensive. But anyways, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know, comment below what you want to see next.